We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print your supply status page on a Brother MFC L5850dw. So on your screen here in the right hand corner there is a little screwdriver and wrench. Click on that and then you'll see a menu pop up. Click on all settings. It's the one on the right bottom corner. Then you want to scroll down to print reports. And then you're going to scroll down again and you're going to see printer settings. Go ahead and click that. Then the prompt says, do you want to start printing? Yes. It will then print your supply status page. You can find useful information on this page, such as when you installed your toner cartridge, how many pages you have printed on it, and even how much percentage you have remaining in that cartridge. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.